Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to tag products for a YouTube shopping affiliate program. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who already have YouTube shopping affiliate program enabled on their YouTube account. So what I've gone ahead and done is just logged onto one of my YouTube accounts. And so this is going to be a short and sweet and simple video, guys, just for demonstration purposes. So make sure to stick around until the end. Now, on our YouTube video, if you have the YouTube shopping affiliate program actually already enabled, you're going to go ahead and scroll down, and then where it says products over here, you're going to click on this edit button. Now on here, this is where you're going to be able to search products. So in this video in particular, let's say for example, I want to actually tag the product in the video as far as which camera I use during the video. So we're going to go ahead and search for a camera. And so there's a few things to note here as far as obviously you want to select the product that matches whatever in your video, just because if there's any discrepancies, that's possibly going to lead to some returns if they buy the wrong product just because you linked the wrong product. So you're going to see a bunch of cameras that you hear. Underneath each item, you're going to see the store that's actually selling it. You'll also see the commissions that you'll get if someone does purchase this product. And it's also important to note that sometimes these items might be out of stock. So in gray, you're going to see that it says out of stock. So make sure that whatever item that you choose, it is going to be in stock. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this Canon EOS Rebel from Newegg, then click on the plus sign. And then from here, you're going to want to add timestamps. Okay, and the reason why is because timestamps tend to actually convert better. So what we'll do is that we'll add timestamps, and you could actually see from YouTube themselves that they say, in a use experiment in 2023, viewers that watch tag videos with timestamps clicked on tag products twice as often as videos without timestamps. So it's really important that you add timestamps to the relevant part of your video in which you want to tag your product. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue. And so let's say that this camera appears around the 4:39 mark. What you're going to do here is just simply click on add timestamp. And as you can see, it already matched the timestamp here. And so there you have it. Now we've added this Canon EOS Rebel item under these timestamps. This is what it actually is going to look like within your video, in which once the video starts playing at 4 minutes and 39 seconds, this EOS Rebel camera is going to appear on the bottom left-hand side. Next, we're just going to click on done and then click on done again. It is important to note also that you could add multiple items to your videos. Let's say we want to add a tripod, and we'll just go ahead and use this tripod from Home Depot. And we'll say that for this tripod here, you could read more about it. You can see the commissions. You want to edit timestamps, and let's say the tripod actually doesn't appear until the 6-minute mark. So go ahead and enter 6 and then click on done. So now we have this item here appearing at 4 minutes and 39 seconds and this item here appearing at 6 seconds, and then click on done. Now you've gone ahead and added 2 tagged products. So the last thing to do here is just simply click on save, and that is how you go about adding or tagging products on the YouTube shopping affiliate program. So if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.